Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make an easy to make homemade wrapper. And here are the simple ingredients. Here I have 1.5 cup of flour, 1.5 cup of water, cooking oil, and salt. Let's get started. In our empty bowl, let's pour in our flour. Add a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of cooking oil, add some water, and mix it well. And add the water gradually. Let's add more. And mix again. And pour in the water. Shake it well. Shake it well. And done. And using our strainer, let's strain our mixture to remove lumps. And done. And the consistency is like this, not too thick. Using our non-sticky pan and brush, let's brush the butter on the pan. And low fire. Cook it for about 1 minute and low fire. And after 1 minute, let's turn it on the other side. And done. Cook also for 1 minute and put it on an empty bowl. And let's repeat the same process. Make sure that the fire is low. Turn it on the other side. And done. And let's do the remaining with the same process. And let's do the last brushing. Turn on the other side. And done. And our easy homemade wrapper is ready.